Hey beautiful beaders, it's Gina from orchidandopal.com, and today I am back with another one of the 1 pound Czech glass bead mixes from beadbox.com. So as a quick reminder, you do need to be a member or a subscriber to the Bead Box in order to make purchases on their website, but they do have a whole array of different strands for just $1 each, as well as different findings, focals, components, all sorts of different things. And instead of sharing their subscription box for at least a little while, I'm taking a break from that to share with you guys some of the other things you can find on their website. In addition to their dollar deals, where everything on their site is for the most part $1, they also have a special deal section where you can get things like this, or multiple strands, or more bulk quantities of different things. So that's definitely fun to check out. And something I know I had personally been interested in was really finding out for myself what these 1 pound Czech glass mixes were all about, because I know they can vary from person to person, and just wondered what kinds of things I would find inside. So I have actually shared 3 of these mixes before. If you haven't seen those videos, you can definitely check those out. This one in my hands is actually called the Deep Seas Mix. You can see the beautiful, vibrant cobalt blues in there, also mixed with some hematite, a little bit of amethyst, some aqua, clear, some gray, and a few other tones, but that blue is really standing out to me. Currently, these mixes cost $24. You can occasionally get some coupons from the Bead Box sent to you. So if you are a member or subscriber of theirs, chances are they will add you to their mailing list, and you can look out for those from time to time. I had a great time sorting these with you guys the last time, so I decided to do it again. I found that I really did get a nice selection of large enough quantities of the same beads that to me it definitely felt worth it. And I know sorting is not for everybody, but some of us, including me, do tend to enjoy it. It's kind of relaxing and a kind of mindless thing to do sometimes, seeing the order come out of chaos like this. So I'll do similar to what I did last time. I will dump these out, and look how even more vibrant these are when you dump them out of the bag. Oh my goodness, these are so beautiful. And what I will do is sort these on camera, but I will speed it up and put it to music and occasionally check back in with you guys, and we will get a good idea of just what is inside one of these Czech glass 1 pound bead mixes. Of course, with the need to mention that each of these mixes might vary slightly from person to person, but they should be very similar. So like I did before, I like to pull out some of the largest things that I see. First of all, look at these beautiful faceted chunky glass beads. These are stunning. I know these are 2 different sizes, and there is actually a third, so we have 2 slightly smaller than that one. Those are gorgeous. These are also standing out to me as being some of the largest things in this mix. This one's got a little bit more of a pinky purple hue to it. These could be some really cool focal pendants. They are slightly rough, but I think that is the point. They are purposely rough looking, so those are fun. And then also these 2 right here, these are kind of organically shaped, 2 different color tones, this one being a full cobalt blue, and then this one being a mix of clear and a lighter sapphire blue tone, but 2 more really cool focal, interesting beads. And we have a number of these clear glass rounds in maybe a 10mm size, and one of these big guys right here. So I will set these down. I will keep sorting, so sit back and enjoy as we make some progress. 7 minutes of actual sorting time, and already I know I'm loving this collection. I love how there's so many beautiful high quality Czech glass beads and not just one-offs of all these beads. So you're getting nice piles of a lot of these things, which would add up to several strands worth or several bags worth of each of these different shapes. And I'm really drawn to the blue, this whole color palette, so that makes me happy. It's also a little bit less time consuming to sort when there are fewer bead shapes, but higher quantities of each. So let me dive back in here and we'll keep sorting and see what we get. So that was about another 7 minutes of sorting. I'm going to dive in here one more time and that should do it. We're getting down to the end. I'm left with a lot of these smaller beads and a few more shapes we haven't taken a close look at yet. and here we are, this beautiful bead mat of different shades of blue and gray, purple and aqua, even some beautiful clear beads. This is all sorted out, and this handful I have right here is the only amount of beads that didn't have matches. Overall, the overwhelming majority did, and these trays are so full. Like, there's several strands probably worth of many of these, especially these daggers. There's so many of the shells, these clear fire polish beads, and lots of other beautiful Czech glass beads to play with. So I'm really happy with this selection. I think you can see pretty much everything. There's just a few other beads up there that were larger that didn't have matches, but for the most part, everything fits here in the view, and I'll be able to bag these up, keep them all nice and organized together. I do have a coupon code. It's ORCHID2, ORCHID2, if you want to save $2 off any purchase with $beadbox.com. And once again, you do need to be an annual member or a subscriber of theirs in order to make a purchase, but that $2 off code is good off of a subscription or off of the annual membership if you were looking to do that. If you missed the other 3 sorts that I did with different color themes, I will leave the links to those below also, and I'll leave the link to the Deep Seas 1 pound mix if you'd like to be taken directly to it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this close-up look to see for yourself what's inside. Decide for yourself if these 1 pound mixes are something you're interested in, or just enjoyed a relaxing bead sort and some nice music. As always, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for joining me for another fun video. Please feel free to leave me a comment down below. Let us know if you've purchased any of these 1 pound mixes on your own, what you thought, or anything else you'd like to say. Until next time, I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and as always, happy beading. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. For more content like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified of my latest videos. You can check out the information section below this video for links to all my social media handles, recommended products, and my shop and blog at orchidandopal.com. Thanks for watching.